Shit was massive.
This is a big one.
You bent the hell out of this.
And then we can use it for...
I fucking hate. I'm. What are you doing?
We're headed to Center Lake, and we're just gonna go camp there for the weekend. I'm gonna bring this whole tub. That'll have most of our stuff in it for cooking and everything like that. All right, you're good. I have all my stuff packed in here. Got a pan. Yeah, so we got all this stuff in there. We got a bunch of stuff to cook and then a bunch of stuff to camp in, so it should be a good trip. See you guys there.
Hey, I got you a little treat because you're letting me go with you.
They're out on their property. They have like a note.
This dude's so lost.
You're gonna record us getting in the crash.
Hello? Oh, they're not home.
I'm not sure if the pot that I brought, if it's like okay to be in a fireplace or not.
Here's the lake.
They're all packing up. Perfect. All right. There should be some monster fish over here. You know how to fly fish?
Hell no.
This is my dad's old. Check this out. And you like open it up and then you just got like all these flies in there.
Yeah, it's sick. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's sick.
Brought it all the way like up. Like I was climbing through.
Oh, he does it a lot. Oh, I should have brought my little fishing hat. I got like a Mine's bucket hat and it's got those like little things like
the
those
lures
bands that go around so you can put your hooks on them.
Dude, that's sweet. All right, take that fly off. Yeah. When you first do it.
Oh, okay.
There you go. See, fish are already going for it, dude. Oh. 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 Dude, it's a big one. Dude. Oh my gosh, the thing is massive. Bring it over here, bring it over here. On this side.
Oh.
No way.
Shit was massive.
Dude, I'm telling you, those fish are huge. Okay. So, I'll try to give you the rundown. I don't know if you go like that.
We'll try.
that works. That works. Good.
Okay. Let me do one more. Is that right?
Yeah, go one more.
Low one. There we go.
Good.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Is it fine? Yeah. Let's see how big he is. Start bringing him over to the shore. Oh, no, let him fight, Sorry, I want you to... Oh, this is a good trout, dude. This is a good trout. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's okay. He's coming.
Oh, yeah. Keep going. All right, let him. All right, bring him in. All right, go. Drop the rod. Bring. No. All right. Yeah, all right. Holy crap.
we get closer.
Yeah, grab him by the gill or the mouth if you want.
I'm good.
Really?
I don't mess with trout teeth, bro.
Dude, come on, they don't got crazy teeth. They don't have any teeth. All right, you ready? A little higher. Oh, dude, they do kind of got some snappers.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, that's a big one.
Oh, is he dead?
Oh, he's gonna be. Damn. Dude, nice trout. Oh, dude.
Fuck. I guess I do gotta just hold him by the gills or else he's gonna fall off every time, huh?
Probably.
It's a bald eagle.
Weeds in there, right where it gets like jut out a lot.
Are you like good enough at fly fishing to like just send it over? Like, cause don't like really good fly fishing try to do that where it's like they skim across the water almost. Too far? Oh.
Oh damn, too nervous to go too far.
Oh, you don't want to get caught up in there? Oh!
Oh, this is a big one.
Nice!
Big one, dude. Look at this. Look at this.
Let me get one step back. Maybe it's the exact same one.
No!
No!
Damn, dude, come on.
I got a video.
Right, you gotta go. Alright, right in the middle. No, that's a good spot. You can see there's that big, those trout hang out all over there. No, that's perfect.
I wish I brought my I have this North Face coat that's like, it's kind of light, but it's still heavier than a sweatshirt. I should have brought that. That would have been like perfect for right now.
It's gonna get cold quick, though, I'll tell you that. There's so much firewood here, and since it's fall, all these leaves are dead.
Yeah.
It's like perfect. See that kind of wooden area up there?
Yeah.
That's probably where we'll go. Let's take the car. I bet you have to drop a fly with my fly rod.
Oh, just drop it and you get some?
Look, oh my gosh. Stand right here. You can see out. Like there's like a log all the way sitting right there. Like you can see the fish so good from. Oh, look, there's one right there. Hold up. Dude, how much you want to bet I can catch a fish? Oh my gosh, that's like right past him, dude. Look, the line's right on top of him.
Oh, yeah, I can. Oh!
Oh! I got him! Give me. No!
Is he off?
No, he's still
okay.
He's a little guy.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
I'm just cranking that guy in.
Oh, yeah, I think he's already off, yeah.
Get off there, man. Get that pebble off there.
Birds are getting freaky. Oh, it's a squirrel.
Good video.
Yeah.
He's trying to like protect his house, I think, from us.
Oh.
I think it's just squeaking.
I think it's squeaking at us.
Yeah, definitely.
What time? Is that just an acorn or what's on its mouth?
Yeah, it's just an acorn. All right, let's go fish. You see them? You see the dark spots? Big one right out from the tip of there. Oh my gosh, the freaking monster! Monster!
Hopefully you can see that. It's huge. Oh, that's a little bit off target. Something's a little fishy here. Oh, what a spot.
Look, see, they're looking at it. One's going.
Oh yeah.
All right, this is the biggins, man. Holy Grail.
Yo. Oh, there we go. Okay, now it's working.
Third flies a chop.
After Columbus Day, I brought all my snow. Third time was not the charm, chat.
Dude, that might have been a sign. It's gonna get dark soon anyway. Damn it! Come on. We'll come back out with this fly rod. All right, we found where we're gonna stay right over here. No! You bent the hell out of this. This one connects to the ones in Alright, I got another one here. Check that bad boy out. Oh! Oh, my soda! Oh! We just got done at our campsite. We cleaned everything up, but you don't try to break them. Damn, it's getting hot. Biggest problem with water that you can get from anywhere is giardia. It carries like bacteria and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
You always want to boil your water. I'm gonna boil this up and then we can use it for Swiss Miss. However, I'm not sure if this is supposed to be used anymore. Oh, no!
Oh. Del Monte quality whole kernel sweet corn. Bush's pinto beans. Bush's black beans. Lean ground beef.
Mom didn't put how much water in. Also, this meal is sponsored by my buddy Nick. He bought all the this, and this. Except for he didn't buy it.
Thank you, Nicholas.
I'm hungry as hell.
Same here.
Oh, perfect, dude.
Nice.
All right.
Too much?
Just taste it. It's so weird to describe it. It's so like, it just tastes like river water, like soily.
Yeah, let cool down. We got like, I think it's just, oh, it is.
Maybe it needs more seasoning too. Hey, not bad.
I wish I could stay just to see how dead campus was on Thanksgiving.
All right, got the fire going. This is starting to get pretty warm, actually. It's insane. How much do you think we'll eat?
There we go. You ever had tiger meat? Yeah, you're water. Bits in at a time?
Yeah.
This is our pavilion. Oh, we're in this sweatshirt.
All right, he's gonna have some.
Black bean, corn, and lime. Really fucking good. Oh my god.
You like that?
Mm.
Dude, I'm so glad it ended up being really good.
There's something.
All right, we're gonna get packed up and ready for bed, so we'll see you guys in the morning. Watching some good old Jeffy, so. All right, it's about, what, 5:55 in the morning? So we're gonna get packed up and get ready for fishing. They're back at it over by the rock.
These line makes me want to cry.
I fucking hate. I can't do that.
Look at this.
Small game license. Are these considered small game?
I do not know. No!
Man, look at those guys. Finally get some daylight donuts. All right, we got Dunkin' Donuts. We're back at my college. And I would say it's a pretty successful trip for sure. So I'll see you guys in the next video.